Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the SubSafe reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's talk about what this website is basically offering to customers. Guys, from the images, one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of bottles and containers. Now guys, let's check some of their best selling products. So here are the images of their best selling products which are available at reasonable prices, and some of them are available at huge discounts right now. So you can check those products by visiting their official website. Now guys, let's talk about their payment policy. So guys, they accept all kind of online payment method like ShopPay, GPay, PayPal, etc. And now let's talk about their shipping policy, for which is not available here or not mentioned here, which is a negative point for the website. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints, but before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make much more informative videos. Now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a legit or scam website. Now guys, so this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 25th November 2017, and hence this is an old website and totally reliable. Now if you want to know about this page, let's check into it. Guys, click on the Our Story section. Here their story, one hot summer day offshore changed everything. Here the story of this website. Now if you want to know about their contact address, let's check into it. Click on the contact us section. Here's the helping section only, which is again a negative point for the website because they does not mention their contact address. And now guys, if you want to know about the email ID, which is again not mentioned, which is again a negative point for the website. Now guys, if you want to know about the social media presence, here are the 3 accounts of Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, check into it. Click on the return section. Here they mention, we want to be sure you are 100% satisfied with your SubSafe. If you had like to make a return on any products originally purchased on our website, please follow these easy steps. SubSafe offers free returns for items purchased on subsafe.com within 30 days for new unused products in their original packaging. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, Guys, they does not mention their customer reviews here, or we checked in Google too. They are also not such a customer reviews made by a single customer. But this product of a SubSafe container is also on the Amazon. There are good reviews there. Now guys, if you ask about the website content quality, is also not so good because little part is copy paste from the other websites. So on the basis of above discussion, we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time money in such products, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.